Hello, and welcome to another helpful tutorial from Crawlbase. Today, we're going to walk through the process of scraping Stack Overflow questions. Stack Overflow provides a vast repository of knowledge and expertise, offering developers instant access to solutions and insights. To scrape data from Stack Overflow, we are using Crawlbase crawling API and JavaScript. Let's get started. On the command prompt, go to Desktop. Create a new folder named Stack Overflow Scrapper. Move into the project folder. With npm command, install Crawlbase and Cheerio packages. These tools are necessary for successful communication with the crawling API. With touch command, create an empty JavaScript file index.js and move to Visual Studio. There we are. Now open file index.js and start by importing the crawling API class from the Crawlbase library. Next, import the Cheerio module. And finally, bring an FS file system module. Next, code for Crawlbase token. This token authenticates our access to the Crawlbase API. If you have it, then paste it here, otherwise it will be covered later in the video. No worries, I will paste it later. For now, let's move on. With the GET clause, request the desired data, and upon receiving the response, extract the relevant data from the HTML content using the getParsedData function. Let's first define the catch clause to capture any errors. Oops, parseData clause will be used instead of data. Finally, bring the parsed data to a JSON file named StackOverflow.json using the write file sync module. This JSON file will contain the scraped data in a structured format with 2-space indentation. Next, I am pasting the code with data scraping guidelines and how to parse it in a JSON file for our use. This code can be found on the link mentioned in the description of this video. Let's get the Crawlbase token and Stack Overflow URL. Open Crawlbase website. Proceed to login. Type in login and password or login with Google or GitHub account. I am using my Google account. So, this is the dashboard page. Scroll down to the account option and click it. Here, click on account documentation. Copy the normal request token. Come back to Visual Studio and paste it here. To get the target URL, open Stack Overflow. Copy the URL and head back to the code. Paste it. It's time to execute the code. So open terminal. With node command, execute the script in index.js. Bravo, JSON file is successfully created. Let's have a look. Here is the scrapped data from Stack Overflow in JSON format. The data provides comprehensive information about each question on the page and displays it in such a format that it is easy to understand and analyze. Here's a look at the code again. The link to the code is in the description. Here's how the data is parsed. And here's where you paste the URL. Hope you enjoy using the information in the video. Congratulations! With just a few lines of code, we've scraped questions from Stack Overflow using Crawlbase and Cheerio. If you're interested in scraping other websites like GitHub, Quora, and more, check out step-by-step tutorials on our YouTube channel and blog. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.